Alden Richard update. Congrats kay Alden. Phenomenal box office king of Philippine cinema. Tinawag na nga si Alden. Pumunta na si Alden sa stage. Nakakot award din si Alden. Nandiyan yung mga fans ni Alden. Congrats kay Alden. Ito yung speech ni Alden.
Hello po, magandang gabi. Alam mo po, ever since I was able to do the first Hello Love franchise, minsan di pa rin po ako makapaniwala na it became part of history when it comes to the Philippine cinema. And given the opportunity again to do to do the sequel for Hello Love franchise, we were a bit skeptical po because with what's happening with our Philippine cinema industry is somehow local films are very much struggling, even up to this point. Naniniwala po kasi ako na for our local Philippine cinema to foster, we really need help from everyone, the government, the producers po, the actors. We have to we gotta have a common voice po para maianap po natin ang local Philippine cinema again. So with this recognition po tonight, I hope that hindi po mapagod ang mga producers, ang mga gumagawa po ng pelikulang Pilipino para makapag-produce at makagawa ng mga kalidad na proyekto para po sa mga manonood nating Pilipino here and abroad. But again, of course, to Star Cinema, to GMA Pictures po, to GMA and to ABS-CBN, to everyone who's instrumental for the vision of the Hello Love Again.
Male, queer, and glowing skin
award
the
pa.
night goes
Si Alden,
to
pagbaba ng
Mr. Alden Richard.
buwan pa nga si Alden. Another award na naman kay Alden. And the male clear, glowing skin of the night. Congrats kay Alden. Nagulat pa nga si Alden. Pababa ng stage yan. Pinakagulo. Ayun pa. Ayun sila Jericho Rosales, Janine Gutierrez, ayun si Alden. Ayun na-meet niya. Si Miss Jacqueline Blanco, yan. And then, si Alden, saka si Bini Juano. And then sa awards night. Ito nga pa nga si Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.